Welcome back to this video. Before we go into the charts, I want to let you know that I'm starting copy trading since today on the ByBit account. Link for this you find under the video in the video description. And we started here with $300 and my goal is to 10x this account. We are already now a little bit in the profit, like $10 already. And we can also see we opened today two trades, the Ethereum trade and the SUI trade. Both of all are in profit. We can also see our price targets are $2,700 and the main target will be, what was the main target? We changed the main target to $3,000. It will be the main target. And on the way up, we will take definitely some profits. But let's go in the charts. Let's start already with the Ethereum chart here that we are running here into some resistance on the 1 hourly chart. We already broke this resistance this morning or in the night. Get rejected, and now it's like very important what we can see here. There are two scenarios what we can play out now. Number one, what we can see that we are smashing here through, get a retest, and then straight to the upside, which also exactly this what we are talking about in the last video yesterday about our trade setup. When we see the retest here, so we can move this quite here, between there, we can definitely enter a position on Ethereum. I run already now a position in Ethereum. The other part, what we can also see that we get a rejection. It's not looking like this actually. Came down here to this level and then consolidate in this area and then shoot to the $3,000 level. So these are both trade setups and kind of both are possible running. When we go to the Bitcoin, we can also see that I mentioned yesterday about this possibility to get a trade here in this part. To be honest, on my other ByBit account, let me check if I'm already logged in. No, also on my second ByBit account, the trade was not getting up. See, the buy limit is already still there. But when we go down, we see that our Solana position, our Ethereum position, our SUI and PEPE position running really, really good. Big in profit also on Solana. I took already some profits. I shared also in the group. We get a perfect entry here on the retest. Some buy limit orders weren't getting up, but some we already in profit. So like, this is like 60% in profit. I took already here on my first take profit zone, the first profit. I also shared this in our posting channel. So here we see now we are also like 100% in the win rate. I posted here 3 hours ago that I'm open 3 long positions. Kinda there was all in a loss, but now it turns all 4 positions quite in profit. Very nice. So congratulations all who took this trade here. I gave you the Solana position. If you also want to get these trade alerts, just go in the video description. There is the link to the Patreon channel. You can join it absolutely for free. There you can get all the trade information. But let's go back to the Bitcoin chart, because the next major level what we can see is definitely here the all-time high. So when we get closer to the all-time high, I definitely expect a rejection quite down to the 109 to 108,000 US dollars. So I would definitely, if you have trades in Bitcoin open, take some profits over there and re-enter quite a little bit down when we get the rejection. Same for Solana. Solana is running very, very strong kind of now. So we see here our trade. I gave it I gave the trade around here, that when we get the retest, that was exactly the trade we got here, the buy zone 180 US dollars. There we get a perfect entry. So if you enter a little bit later than the post, you could have a way better entry. And now we are kind of up 2 to 3%. So quite nice. First take profit zone we already hit. And the main target remains 220. That's my main target. There will close definitely my Solana position. On the way up, I will take some profits, like every $5 to $10 I would take some profits. for the reason I just want to secure some profits in my bag. And let's have a look on the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is kinda, when we go here on the daily chart, it's falling down again. So it's quite good for the altcoin performance. I also expect that many altcoins are moving in the next few days, few weeks, very hard. So it's a good opportunity to position ourselves now in the altcoins. Tomorrow I will on traveling on a plane. I don't know if I make 100% a video. I try to make it. But on the day after, I will definitely talk more about altcoins, and I will definitely post altcoin positions when I open a trade here in the Patreon group. So join the Patreon group. Link is under the video in the video description. And also, if you want to join the copy trading, just go also to the link in the video description. There on ByBit, I create a copy trading account. So you just follow my account, and then you have like the same profits we will do here. So you see here running quite great in profits, $800 in profits. So lunch and breakfast, lunch and dinner is already paid. Very nice. That's basically all for the video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we have still the pre-sale from the Bitcoin 2.0 still running 6 hours. Yeah, approximately 7 hours are the pre-sale still running. Let me refresh the website. Still open the pre-sale, so feel free to join also the pre-sale. I invested $2,000 in the pre-sale. I'm very curious how the pre-sale will start, especially like, I think maybe on Sunday or on Monday we get some updates. If I have some updates about the pre-sale, I will let you know in the next videos. And other than that, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and then we see maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow.